Hello everyone, this is Achut Murari from the second year of MBBS of Usmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Apart from being a medico, I am a poet who inks most of his muses into the Instagram handle name @mesmerizing_stanzas. But apart from that, I am also a booktuber, basically where I talk about the books, novels, biographies and many more on my YouTube channel under the name A Medico's Book World. Well, I have dropped in here to share with you a poem for the submission of a contest which is being held by the Profound Writers. Well, I have to confess the fact that Profound Writers have been always really profound and also been quite a supportive to the writers, and I really am amazed with how much of dedication they have been putting forward into this kind of competition and kind of organizing it online when we are stuck at our homes during these pandemic times or which we have been facing through. As we speak about pandemic, I cannot forget the fact that I have to incorporate that too into my poems because it has now become a part of our memories and it is permanently etched into our minds. So the poem which I try to present in here is also something related to pandemic, but it is not the general one. It is a grossly emotional one. Well, the title of this poem is Behind the Nylon Masks. Now you'll be wondering why would I have titled this like that. I would love to share the introduction of this poem rather than to directly dive into this. I have tried to portray the millions of emotions which people try to hide behind the masks. You see, people say that these eyes speak a lot more than the language, but we generally forget the fact that even this part of the face, our nose, our lips, our mouth, our pronunciation, our tongue also deciphers a lot of emotions which we tend to forget sometimes. But they play a very pivotal role in how we try to project ourselves to the world, and also it tends to create an image of what we are before the world. But in these pandemic times, we were forced, of course, it's must that we have been covering it with the mask so as to protect ourselves. But behind these nylon masks, there are millions of emotions, there are millions of words which have been uttered but not spoken, but not heard. So this piece is going to be a little tricky for you all, but I hope this finds a place in your heart. And yet again, the title of this poem is Behind This Nylon Mask, and it proceeds this way. I stretched my corners of lips till my ears. Naturally, I had the instinct to smile. Smile as a new bride, smile as a new father. These days I smile a lot, impregnating happiness forcefully into my face. I stretch my lips only to smile rather than to speak. Only to smile rather than to speak. All those smiles get mixed in the sweat behind the nylon mask I wear. Pulling my ears forward, I miss staring at the smiles of people. I miss staring at the smiles of people. Now I miss smiling with freedom too. Yet all these smiles bury behind these nylon masks. Yet I stretch my corner of my lips till my ears just to smile. I bit my lip, expressed anger out of disgust and unruly imaginations. Sometimes I clutch my lips, utter the words mutely, smudge my anger within my clenched teeth, and venting out the disgust. Vague attempts to put my emotions of anger into expression, facial expressions. This word got switched off both from my life and memories, yet my anger gets buried just behind this nylon mask because facial expression was a word which got switched off from both my life and memory. Now I watch a beauty before me. I watch her oblivion of the world. I dive into her character, reach the corners of her soul to understand her every minute. I rest my palm on her hip, spinning her soul, her breasts just touching my chest. "Kiss me," she said. And I protruded my lips forward into extension. I just wanted to kiss. That all these emotions silently get buried just behind this nylon mask. And yet, freedom was a word which was far away from my life and even the memories. Well, let me remind you of a fact. Life doesn't run in the path we lay. It runs on the track destiny has on its play. I'm not immune to grief. Melancholy stays as a close relative of mine, visiting me almost each day. I cry, weep, and wail. The salty tears yet reaching my lips, for melancholy stays as a close relative of mine, visiting me almost each day. I cry, I weep, and I wail, the salty tears reaching my lips. I curve my lips downward, stretch them, and then I express the dent of sadness over my heart, and yet again my sadness get buried just behind the nylon masks. For even crying was supposed to be a far affair. I tuck my lips between my teeth. I tuck my lips between my teeth. I voluntarily inhibit my laughter at a joke my mom has cracked upon me. Jokes, huh? I relate to this word a lot. Even human life these days. Even human life these days remains no more as a joke. All I want to understand now is the difference between smile and laughter. For I want both of them. Yet all these emotions buried just behind this nylon mask, nothing to reveal, yet everything to conceal. For I want both of them, the smiles and the laughters, yet all these emotions buried just behind this nylon mask, nothing to reveal, yet everything to conceal. And that's all, folks. This was a poem which I wanted to desperately share with you all. I hope everyone of you been watching this clearly can relate with whatever I have uttered in here till now, because during these tough times we have all faced issues both mentally, physically, and even emotionally. It has been a traumatic experience, but I also consider the fact that there's always a beacon of hope and there's always a day after the night. Hence we have to be a little hopeful towards the coming tomorrow, and we just cannot cease living at all. Well, I still expect you all to express your emotions without any doubt, even after covering your mouth with the mask, so that this world seems the same.